There are a couple of things out there. Give me a little crack. Like a little crack in the skull. But there are a little more things out there that just bust my brain out. It is mind-blowing. And one of these things are tapeworms. I'm talking about Echinococcus multilocaris, which inhabits foxes and other carnivorous vertebrates. But, and here's the but, they need a secondary host as well. So in some species they're quite freaky, and more on that later, but the fox tapeworm, literally translated from German, needs mostly rodents as secondary or intermediate hosts, but also sheep and pigs and goats, whatever. Now the tapeworm won't really kill you. It's just an annoying mate that sits next to you on the table and steals a fry or snacks a chicken nugget, or you know what I mean. The dangerous thing are its larvae. The adult worm sits in your small intestine and lays daily about 200 eggs, which get transported by the feces out of the host, and mostly rodents again consume those infected eggs. The larva hatches in the rodent, penetrates the intestinal wall and gets to the liver or the lungs. Nests there, develops a cyst, and the cool thing is, or the interesting thing is, that cyst can create, or will create, daughter cysts which infect other organs and steadily slows or even kills the secondary host. So a cancer-like cyst. So the host gets eaten by the fox, dogs or cats, and the cycle repeats. The gruesome thing is that symptoms will get prolonged in humans, so you can already be infected but get your first symptoms in 5 years from now. Another parasite, the common liver fluke, which is a parasitic flatworm that infects livers of sheep, cattle and deer. And just stuff like that. But it gets a little bit more complicated, because it needs a specific secondary host. In Europe it's just one species of amphibic snail, Galba truncatula. There are 2 species in North America, Fusarium moticella and Fusarium bolymoides. Same as with the tapeworm, the eggs get excreted by feces, but the eggs need water to hatch. So when it gets a little bit warmer, 15 to 25 Celsius, and the eggs are in the water, they hatch and need to find a host within 24 hours. If they don't reach a host, then they die. But if they do reach a snail, the larva develops into a sporocyst, which develops more cerariae. So another stage of larva, but a lot more of them. After a couple of months, these cerariae leave the host, attach themselves to plants near the water surface, and get rid of their tails. After that, they get eaten by deer, and the cycle repeats. Evolution, right? Just a normal